नमस्कार दोस्तों, सुमित स्टडी टॉक्स में आप सभी का स्वागत है। तो आज का मेरा टॉपिक्स है प्रिवेंटिव मेंटेनेंस। तो प्रिवेंटिव मेंटेनेंस का रोल, उसका डिसएडवांटेज, उसका एडवांटेजेस और इसका टाइप्स क्या होता है इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, तो आज को इस वीडियो के द्वारा मैं आपको दिखाने वाले हूँ। तो वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगा तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए और वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखिएगा उसको अच्छी तरह से समझने के लिए। तो गाइज, जो देर नहीं करेंगे, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So now we start our video. So we start with what is preventive maintenance is all about. So preventive maintenance is the regular and routine maintenance of equipment and assets in order to keep them running and thereby reducing the cost of unexpected breakdowns. We come to the objective. What are the basic objectives of preventive maintenance? So the first one is maximizing production or increasing facilities availability at the lowest cost and at the highest quality and safety standards. Next comes reducing breakdowns and emergency shutdowns. Number third is optimum resource utilization. Next, reduce downtime, improve equipment efficiency and scrap rate, optimizing the useful life of equipment, and last but not the least is identifying and implement cost reduction. So this is all about the objectives of preventive maintenance. Now we come to the next phase, that is what are the tasks we need to do for preventive maintenance. Now we start with number one is schedule and perform regular inspection of equipments. Next is conduct regular cleaning of buildings, grounds and assets. Third point is lubricate moving parts to reduce wear and tear. Number 4 comes adjust controls for optimal performance and energy efficiency. And number 5 is repair and replace any defective equipment parts. So it is all about the task that you need to do for preventive maintenance and what are the benefits of preventive maintenance. Now, so the first benefit that comes is preventive maintenance decreases frequent breakdowns and closures due to unexpected failures. Number 2 is preventive maintenance increases equipment life expectancy and thereby reduced cost for long run. Number third benefit is it significantly reduce safety risk for employees and therefore the risk of lawsuits and worker compensation reduces to a greater extent. Number fourth point is reduces the delay in delivering the product to the customers. So the fifth point that comes is it helps to reduce energy consumption of your assets and equipments due to high level of operational efficiency. And last but not the least is preventive maintenance also helps to increase the production quality and lower the cost of production per unit. So after that, so now we will discuss what are the drawbacks of preventive maintenance. So first drawback is due to frequent inspection on equipments, the cost of preventive maintenance are generally higher than breakdown maintenance. Next, to carry out the preventive maintenance activities, employees have to work overtime to perform their daily duties. Number third is staff and resource engagement are more in preventive maintenance than in breakdown maintenance. Number fourth is it sometimes lead to unnecessary money spent on precautions which are not at all necessary. So and now we come what are the types of preventive maintenance that are essential for an organization to run smoothly. So the types of preventive maintenance are as follows. Number one is time-based maintenance. So what is it? So it is also called periodic maintenance, refers to a routine maintenance task performed on an asset at fixed time intervals regardless of its condition. So the main goal of time-based maintenance is to prevent failures before they happen and improve asset performance. So here are some examples of time-based maintenance which are as follows. So number one, it comes tuning up a furnace every year before winter, changing an air filter every quarter, and third but not the least is lubricating pumps every 6 weeks, etc. So this is some examples of time-based maintenance. Now it comes is usage-based maintenance. This is the second type of preventive maintenance that I'm discussing about. So it is one of major type of preventive maintenance where meter readings are generally used and lodged in a software. When a specific measurement is reached, a task is created for routine maintenance. Measurement readings might be in units of the number of cycles run, kilometers travel, or hours of service. Next it comes predictive maintenance. So what is it? It is a specific method of preventive maintenance that uses past data to look into the future. So when data is actually lodged, maintenance managers can predict when an asset will crash based on historical event and create specific preventive maintenance task to prevent them from happening again. Now we come to the last part, that is what is prescriptive maintenance. So prescriptive maintenance is another type of preventive maintenance, and it is a asset maintaining strategy that uses machine learning to adjust operating conditions for desired outcomes. There is one example for it. A full stop in production may be avoided by running a compressor at a lower pressure. तो गाइज कैसा लगा मेरा वीडियो? मैं आशा करता हूँ आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा, और प्रिवेंटिव मेंटेनेंस के बारे में मैं काफ़ी सारी जानकारी आपको दे चुका हूँ। तो मैं अगर आपका कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के बताइएगा। और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़, अगर आपको ISO का सर्टिफिकेशन जैसे 9001, 22001, 14,000, 18,000, 45,000, अगर कोई भी सर्टिफिकेशन का आपको ज़रूरत हो तो मुझे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेरा मेल अकाउंट है, मुझे मेल कीजिए, और मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर भी दिया हुआ है, उसका व्हाट्सएप कीजिएगा अगर आपको ज़रूरत हो। तो गाइज़ मैं काफ़ी सारे वीडियोस इंपॉर्टेंट लाने वाला हूँ, तो इसके लिए सब्सक्राइब करके रखिएगा। इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोस मैं लाने वाला हूँ डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स के ऊपर, तो इसको देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। तो चलिए दोस्तों, मिलते हैं हमको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।